Let's clear up a common mistake. You're not walking on a cement sidewalk. Most people call it cement, but what you see everywhere is actually concrete. Cement and concrete aren't the same. Just like flour isn't a cake, cement is just one ingredient, the binder, while concrete is the finished, rock-solid product. This isn't about being a know-it-all, it's about understanding what literally holds our world together. Next time you see a sidewalk or a bridge, you'll know the real story. Cement is the magic powder, but sand, gravel, and water are just as crucial. Without them, cement is just dust. Today we're giving every ingredient its due. In construction, every part matters. So let's finally get this right. You're about to see the difference between cement and concrete, once and for all. Ready? Let's get started. No more cement patios. Let's call it what it is. Concrete, the real foundation of our world. Think of baking a cake. Flour is essential, but it's not the cake. Cement is like flour, a powdery ingredient, not the final product. To make concrete, you need more. Sand, gravel, water, like eggs, sugar, and butter in a cake. Sand, gravel, water, like eggs, sugar, and butter in a cake. Mix them, and you get concrete, the finished, usable material. You'd never build a house out of flour, and you'd never see a building made of pure cement. Concrete is everywhere. Sidewalks, bridges, skyscrapers. Cement is just the glue that holds it all together. Here's another analogy. An omelet needs eggs, but it's not just eggs. Cement is the egg. Concrete is the full omelet. So, cement is the binder, but concrete is the strong, durable material we rely on. You'll never see a cement building, only concrete. Remember, cement is the ingredient, concrete is the result. Next time you see a construction site, you'll know the difference. It's a simple distinction, but it changes how you see the world. Concrete is the cake, not the flour. And now, you know the recipe. So, what's in cement? It starts with limestone, clay, and sand, materials rich in calcium and silica. These are crushed, mixed, and heated in a giant kiln at over 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat transforms them into marble-sized balls called clinker. The clinker is cooled, then ground into a fine powder. A bit of gypsum is added to control how fast it sets. The result? Portland cement, the world's most common type. It's a powerful binder, but only when mixed with water. Add water, and you unleash its strength. That's the magic behind every concrete structure. Now let's make concrete. Cement alone can't do the job. It needs sand, gravel, and water. These aggregates give concrete its bulk and strength. Mix cement, water, sand, and gravel in the right ratio. The cement paste coats every grain, binding everything together. The result is a heavy, workable slurry, fresh concrete. Pour it into any shape you want: sidewalk, wall, dam, or statue. As soon as water hits cement, a chemical reaction called hydration begins. It's not just drying, it's a transformation that locks everything in place. Builders keep concrete damp for days to let it cure and reach full strength. That's how concrete becomes rock solid. It's liquid stone until it sets forever. That's the secret to its versatility and power. Concrete isn't new. The Romans mastered it centuries ago. Their secret? Volcanic ash, lime, water, and rock. Roman concrete built the Colosseum and the Pantheon, structures that still stand today. After Rome, the recipe was lost for centuries. In 1824, Joseph Aspdin invented Portland cement, sparking a new era. Reinforced concrete, concrete with steel bars, let us build higher and stronger. Skyscrapers, highways, and dams all became possible. From ancient Rome to today's cities, concrete has shaped civilization. It's the backbone of human ambition, and it's still evolving. Concrete is everywhere. Roads, bridges, buildings, even water pipes. It's the most used man-made material on Earth, second only to water. Concrete keeps getting stronger for years, even decades. The Hoover Dam's concrete is still curing today. It's strong, fire-resistant, and can be shaped into anything. Affordable and made from local materials, it's the foundation of modern life. Without concrete, our world would look completely different. So next time you hear cement sidewalk, you'll know better. Share the real story. Cement is the ingredient, concrete is the masterpiece. Appreciate the material that makes our lives possible. Spread the word, because knowing the difference means understanding what our world is built on. Concrete, the unsung hero beneath our feet. If you learned something new, give us a like and hit that subscribe button.